It's Bethany and welcome to today's video. Today I'm planning out the week of June 21st through June 27th in my hourly plum paper planner. And today I'm going to use kit 319 from Planner Kate. I've got some additional appointment labels here. Got this extra checkbox sheet. And this is the plum paper date headers. And of course, the weekly sampler that has the weekend script, as well as a bunch of different fun things and other scripts and washi, etc. I also grabbed a couple of extra washies from Planner Kate that I might use. I think this one is really pretty and matches well with the kit. And then also this little chevron situation as well. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to start with the washi and all the border stuff and then start going with the plans. So I will say that this week doesn't feel like it's busy for after the workday kind of stuff. So it's kind of nice to have some evening time to just kind of decompress, because then later we do have tournament weekend coming up this week as well. So it'll be busier towards the end of the week for sure. All right, I think this is coming together nicely. I'm really enjoying this kit. I think this kit was probably meant for the spring. I don't know, the rain kind of makes me think of like April showers, spring Mayflower. So I might be using this kit late, but it's really pretty and it's still technically spring. So I want to use it now before I'm not feeling the rain vibe anymore. So I think it's still a really pretty kit, and let's go ahead and continue with some plans. So the week is busy, and actually now that I think about it, I know I said that we don't have much for evening plans earlier, but I think the boys actually think their hockey picks up quite a bit, and I think they have like 2 a day, at least Wesley does, has like 2 a day hockey practices even, so it's gonna be crazy for him, and I might put his hockey down later just to, here we go, just make sure I have it. I just haven't decided if I want it in this book or not, or if I just leave it in our, personal Google Calendar is sufficient. Honestly, I don't know if I could fit all of his hockey stuff in. He's got so much of it this week, but he enjoys it, so it's good. And actually, he didn't really make it to much of his hockey last week because he was sick. So it'll be good for him. He can kind of catch up, I suppose. And we do have a bunch of family members over right now, as well as Luna's working on stuff out in the garage. So if you hear noises, it is, that's just how it is right now. Just a noisy kind of a day. And actually our family is in town until Wednesday. So I'm just gonna put this sometime on Wednesday here. So Cousins Week officially ends on Wednesday. I know that our boys will be so sad to see their cousins go. They always have such a good time together. So in other news, and I might have mentioned this in another video, it's all kind of blending together, but we decided that we're going to be going on a family vacation to Hawaii coming up. And so today we actually booked all of our travel this morning. So like all of our hotels and our flights, and so it definitely is feeling official, like we're really going to be going on vacation. It's not until October, but we're really looking forward to it. Like I'm starting to get obsessed about it. We're like researching all of the things we can do, and it's just really fun to be planning a trip again. Like we just haven't done that in forever, and it's just been a lot of fun. All right, so currently I don't have any trainings for Friday, which will be a nice project day to catch up on things. For Friday, I'm going to do a bunch of these check boxes for all the things I want to get done. And I did almost forget, at 1 o'clock, I do have my physical therapy appointment. I did wind up rescheduling it from last week, and so I'm definitely gonna try to go this week. I think that I'm feeling up to it now, so I know it's below technically the 1 o'clock line, but I think we're okay. Okay, so evening and weekend things. Loon does have golf. I think it's, yeah, Tuesday and Wednesday this week, and it's usually about 6 o'clock, I think. It has really been helping to put these in here to remind me when he is doing what. Otherwise, I find that it comes to dinner time and I'm like, what do you mean you're not eating with us? It's like, I have golf. I'm like, I should know this. But it's just nice to have the reminder. He loves golf so much. He's actually, what he's working on in the garage right now is a golf simulator. And so he's going to be able to hit golf balls in the garage without damaging anything. And I think it's going to be cool for him and anyone who likes to come over and play golf. Okay, so I think this is really, isn't that like the bougiest trash stick? I probably didn't need to put it on its own like decorative label here, but that's just what we're doing. And then I'm gonna shoot for laundry again on Thursdays. That usually works out pretty well. I don't know if I'm gonna put laundry on Sunday this week. Usually I do both. But the situation is with this tournament weekend, I just don't know if I'm gonna have time on Sunday, so I might just have to catch up next week. Okay, so sorting out the weekend and what's going on with the tournaments. They generally start on Friday, continue through Saturday, and then sometime beginning of the day, Sunday. We have some of the times, but not all of them yet. And so what I wanna do is just kind of mark out and kind of go vertically with this little chevron, like I said, situation here. So I'm just gonna mark down vertically to kind of remind myself that all of this weekend time is taking up with hockey tournaments. And both boys are actually in tournaments this weekend, not just one of them, which is always, it's always a challenge. This will be both Luna and I driving to and from all over and taking turns, or we'll be all hopping in the car together. It usually means a lot of fast food, and that's why I didn't even attempt meal planning at all this week. Just with family in town, what I've been finding is that when we have people over for family, usually it's kind of more spur of the moment to say, hey, let's just cook this for dinner or let's order from there. And meal planning just doesn't always prove to be as successful. And so I'm gonna stop driving myself crazy trying to do it and just be more flexible with our meals. I'm gonna take this up to maybe just 1 o'clock on Sunday, and then we'll see. I'm hoping it'll be just the morning on Sunday, but I just don't know yet. So who knows, maybe we'll have time for laundry. And then I'm gonna take all these hockey tournament stickers and just kind of place them on top to mark. And I think that's looking pretty good. I want to leave open this area down here because I had some medication I had to be on. It was some antibiotics for some surgery complications. I was using this down here to track that. Before I was using habits. So just to flip back and take a look at last week. So here's after the pen last week. I really enjoyed this kit, but you can see here I was kind of marking off my prescription, and actually need to mark off today as well. I did take it the 3rd time. And today just once. I need to do 2 more today. Like you guys wanted to know that. Anyway, the other piece was here again, I used it the week before for medication as well when I was taking that. And then the week before is when I did habits. And so I'm just going to wait and see and kind of play it by ear for this week on what I want to use this for. Probably will stick back to habits again because medication is done this weekend. So, but yeah, I think this turned out super cute. Really loving the colors. I know the chevron doesn't match exactly, but I think it's kind of working. And yeah, I'm just excited to go ahead and plan in this week. So thank you so much for sticking around, especially if you are still here at the end. I hope you have a great rest of your day, rest of your week, and we will chat soon. Bye guys.